Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys five amazing Amazon products that I've been loving. Now these products are only available on Amazon, I guess, and these are just random products. I just found them on Amazon and I got them, and they have worked so well for me. These are not skincare or makeup products, they're just random products, as I said. And yeah, I don't want to make the intro any more longer. Let's dive straight into the video. But before we get into the video, if you are new here, hi, I'm Rumela. I make makeup, skincare, lifestyle and mom life related content here on my channel. So if you like the vibe here, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below and also the bell notification that's right next to it. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have here is this Tovino eye mask. Now this is a cooling gel eye mask, which is usually meant to cool your eyes down. Now if you are someone who has a lot of screen time, who works constantly on your mobile or laptop, then this is an essential. This has been so good. Now I have tried a lot of eye masks like this and they haven't worked well for me. The cooling just stays for a couple of minutes and it goes away, but that is not the case with this. Also, this is like really big, so it fits the eye really well, and this is really helpful to depuff your eyes, to reduce dark circles, to just relax your eyes. Keep this in the fridge, like whenever you're not using it, keep it in the fridge. Do not freeze it. You just have to keep this in the fridge and just use it whenever you feel like your eyes are hurting or burning, and this will instantly relax your eyes. It also helps to depuff, as I said. So this has been really helpful for me, since I am usually on my laptop or on my phone. I'm usually editing, and whenever I'm filming also there are so many lights on and it usually strains my eye. And I also wear lenses regularly, like whenever I'm filming, whenever I'm going out, and that does cause a lot of strain to my eyes. So this is what I've been using to relax my eyes, and it has been working really well. This is the best gel eye mask that I have found on not on the internet but in general, because I have bought eye masks from the medical store as well, and those also did not work well for me. So this is something that I absolutely love. If you are someone who's looking for a good eye mask, then definitely give this one a shot. You will not regret. The next product that I have here is the Calalis. I don't know how to pronounce, but these are magnetic eyelashes. Now I do have a full review, a first impressions kind of a video of this on my channel. I will leave that in the links for you guys in case you want to check it out. But these are not regular eyelashes, they are magnetic eyelashes. So they have like a magnetic strip, and you have to use the liner that comes with the eyelash, and then you just have to stick it on. It is very easy if you are a beauty content creator, or if you are someone who really likes to wear eyelashes. When you go out, then you can give these a shot. You can use these multiple times. They come in a set of 10 eyelashes, and this retails for just 1000 rupees. So 100 rupees for a pair of lashes that you can reuse multiple times. This is very inexpensive, and also this is something that is only available on Amazon, I guess. So again, this had to make it to my amazing Amazon find. Next product that I have here is kind of like a home decor product, and it is this dream catcher. This is how it looks. This is such a beautiful dream catcher. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you know that I do hang this in the background. Sometimes I do like to switch up my backgrounds. Right now I'm really liking the dark background. I will definitely use this in my future videos as well. I got this for that purpose, like for my background, but you can definitely use this as a wall hanging in your room, and it looks really pretty. If you are someone who likes really multicolored products, then you will like this. It is really so pretty, and if you have like a neutral toned room and you want to just give it a pop of color, then the dream catcher will work really well. Also, another amazing Amazon find is the vines that I got along with this dream catcher. Again, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you know that I hang those vines in the background. When I have the white background, I hang those vines, and sometimes I hang the dream catcher. So those are again two really amazing Amazon finds in the home decor section. If you are someone who really likes fake leaves and all of that. You can give those vines a shot. You can decorate your room in multiple ways using those vines. Again, those are also very inexpensive. These are all, you know, really affordable products. So the next product that I have here is this fold away mirror. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the mirror. Now if I show it in the video, it will reflect so bad, but yeah, this is how the mirror looks like. It comes with two sides, and one is the regular side and one is the magnifying side. So this one has 10 into magnification, if that is even a word. This one is a 10x magnifying mirror. So if you are someone you know, who wears makeup, if you are someone who wants like a close-up of the face, then this one will work really well. Also, this will look so pretty if you have like, you know, a vanity. This is a foldable mirror, so you can travel with it. Obviously, you can just keep it on your vanity like this. You can store a few makeup products that you use regularly here. It has two compartments, and then there is this stand, and then there is the mirror, so you can just rotate and use it. This is very, very handy. Again, this was also it wasn't very inexpensive, but it is worth the money. This one retailed somewhere around 600, but again, worth the money if you are someone who does a lot of makeup, or if you are someone who needs a lot of close-up of your face, like if you shave your face, or just you know, if you want to do like an eyeliner, if you want to do a really nice eye look, then this magnifying side works really well. I keep this really far away, and I keep the magnifying side on, and then I can see what you know, what's going on my face from you know, a good distance. So yeah, this is again something that I found on Amazon and I absolutely love. So the next product that I have here is this one. This is a facial cum garment steamer, like a cloth steamer. It comes with a brush, so you can steam clothes that you cannot iron, because a lot of clothes when you iron them wo jal jate hai, but with this steamer you can you know, iron those clothes as well. Again, this is something that I use for my face. I use this as a facial steamer. I have used this as my clothes steamer as well, but that's not why I use this primarily. I use this as a facial steamer. It has two different settings, so the steam will come in the low setting as well, like it won't be really harsh, and then there is you know, another setting where the steam will be really harsh. That is mainly for the clothes. So I really like to use this steamer. Again, it is really nice and sturdy, good quality, and with all the COVID, you know, the pandemic situation going on, it is highly advisable to steam your face. So that is why I use this, and it works really, really well. Again, it wasn't very expensive, but it is so much better than a regular steamer, and because you can use this to iron your clothes as well. That is why I got this, because I can iron my dupattas, like you know, these what are these? Yeah, I don't know why I'm forgetting names. Scarves. Yeah, I can just, you know, iron my scarves, because these are like the georgette silk, not silk but chiffon georgette material, and you know, I tend to burn these when I iron them with a regular iron box. So you know, that is when this steamer comes in. I also have one bonus product that I really, really love, and it is this hair removal tool. This is how it looks. It is, you know, a spring with two handles, and you just have to use this to get rid of any facial hair. So you just have to, you know, get this as close to your skin as possible, and then roll it away from your skin, and it will I'll show you guys. It will remove hair. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but it will remove all the tiny hair that is on your face. Now I use this for my upper lips, because you know, when I shave, sometimes it leaves that black greenish mark, which I don't like. So on some days I shave, when I'm feeling lazy I shave, and on some days I use this, and this is such a great product. Also, this is painful. It is very, very similar to threading your upper lips or threading your face. When you thread, it pains, right? So this removes the hair from your roots. So you know, with everything that's going on, parlors are closed, and if you are someone who wants to thread your upper lips or your face instead of shave, then you can give this product a shot. Again, this was very inexpensive, probably around 150-200 rupees, but this is such a great tool to have, so I had to mention this in my amazing Amazon finds. So yeah, those were all the products that I had for you guys. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? Go subscribe. I'm so close to hitting 1000 subscribers, and I am so excited. Not so close, but I do have 250 more to go, but again still close to hitting 1000 subscribers, and I'm so excited. So go hit the subscribe button, and yeah, that is all I had for today's video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.